The biggest thing that I want you ladies to know when you do have a cough or a sneeze is to make sure that you stay upright. Just because anytime you bend forward, it puts a lot of pressure in your abdomen and thus puts a lot more pressure down through your pelvic floor. So if you were to watch me cough, let's say I'm sitting here. I'm just sitting on the ball because I want you guys to be able to see. You want one arm, they call it the chicken wing. So you want one arm back, so you're activating these muscles back here to keep you upright, and then you can use your other arm to like cover your cough. So it would look something like this. And what I felt with that was this area here was contracting from the bottom up rather than from the top down and putting a lot of pressure on the pelvic